How to monetize Instagram account. So if you want to monetize your Instagram account, so after you open up your Instagram like this, go to your menu at the bottom. After you come to your profile, go to this menu at the top. So from this option, now scroll all the way to down and go to account type and tool. Scroll to down. So tap on this option now, account type and tools. So in this option now, go ahead, switch to professional account. So go to this next. So from this option now, you can select anyone. I'll go with blogger. Switch. So from this option, you can choose creator and tap on this next again. So from this option now, you can tap on this not now button. So tap on this cancel. So now tap on this menu again and scroll to down. Go to this creator tools and control. Now you can scroll to down and go to this monetization status, this one. So here you can be able to see if your account is eligible for monetization. So as you can see now, you are able to monetize. Now my account is enabled, is allowed to monetize. If you want to see your balance and add your payment method, all you have to do, tap on this back again. So if you come to this menu again to add your payment method and see your balance, after you come to the settings, scroll to down and go to this creator tool and control. So here, tap on this add payment. So from this option now, you can tap on this add payment method. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now here is placed. Now you can tap on this add payment method to add your payment method. So once you reach 25 USDT, $25, from there you can be able to withdraw your money into your payment method that you added, and that's it.